The document you created in this lesson was designed to prepare you for a conversation with your supervisor about a pay raise. You might also choose to print or digitally share the document with your supervisor. For example, your supervisor might want written documentation to show to upper management as they advocate for your raise request. The document contains useful information, but the formatting needs to be adjusted before it should be shown to your supervisor. In this extension, you will adjust your document's formatting and the information it includes to make it more formal and professional. To start, open a new tab in your browser. Then open your document from Google Drive. If you can't find your document, do a search. Make a copy of your document. That way you can make changes to the content and formatting while still keeping all the information in your original document for your own purposes. Rename the copy with a descriptive, professional title. Since you might share this with others, include your name in the title. If you like, give your headings a different look by changing the font, size, or color. To do this, highlight one of your headings, choose the font, size, and color. Then, select your heading style from the drop-down and update it to match the heading type style you created. This updates all the headings in your document to the new style. Add your personal information at the top of your document. Include your name and contact information, such as email address and phone number. Format the text so it looks professional and is easy to read. Change the font and the size of your text to make it stand out. Center it on the page and bold your name if you like. Then customize the information in your document to reflect how you will use it. If you're using this document to show past job experience for a school or training opportunity, delete the table showing how your experience matches your employer's priorities and information about pay rates, internet searches, or asking for a raise. To customize your document for a manager to read your case for getting a raise, you might reorder the information from your original document. For example, move up your internet search and pay request. Also select all the text and remove the highlighting you added previously. Move the script section to the beginning of your document so it serves as an introductory statement about you. Then rewrite your script as a note for your manager. Word it as an introduction of who you are as an employee and a statement about your work. Make multiple copies of your original document and customize each for many different purposes. All your copies will be saved in Google Drive, so you can access them from any computer or device with an internet connection. Once you are happy with how your document looks and reads, you can digitally share it with your manager. Be sure to set permissions to view so they can't make any changes. Include a note about your document or print it to bring to your meeting with your supervisor. Now, it's your turn. Make a copy of your document. Add your contact information. Tailor your document's contents to your audience. Change fonts and add color to increase visual interest. And share your document with a note or print it.